Hello friends, today we are going to learn basic shapes. Which color are these? These are brush sketch pens. Now friends, which color is this? This is dark green color and this is square shape. We are going to fill this square shape with dark green color. Now this is red color and this shape is rectangle shape. We are going to fill this rectangle shape with red color. Which color is this? This is light blue color and this shape is heart shape. We are going to fill this heart shape with light blue color. Now friends, which color is this? This is orange color and this is circle. We are going to fill this circle with orange color. Now this is purple color and this is oval shape. We are going to fill this oval shape with purple color. Now which color is this? This is light green color and this is triangle shape. We are going to fill this triangle with light green color. This is brown color and the shape is diamond shape. We are going to fill this diamond shape with brown color. Now this is pink color and this shape is star shape. We are going to fill this star shape with pink color. Now let's revise the shapes. This is yellow color and this shape is square shape. SQUARE square. This is rectangle shape. RECTANGLE rectangle. This is heart shape. HEART heart. This is circle. CIRCLE circle. This is oval shape. OVAL oval. This is triangle shape. TRIANGLE triangle. Now this is diamond shape. DIAMOND diamond. Now the last shape is star shape. STAR star. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.